Good evening, Rock Nation. I'm Aster, your PT on the go, and I'm a chiropractic specialist. Kasama ko ngayon sa Clinic C.
God, JD po.
Yan. So, God, kamusta ang pinaka nagiging concern mo? Bakit ka napapunta sa ating clinic ngayon?
Ang pinaka-concern ko, coach, itong right shoulder ko. Masakit siya kapag tawag ata frozen shoulder. Medyo masakit siya. Then itong left, parang ganun din, though tolerable naman siya. Then lower back pain, balakang. Yun, parang laging alay.
Meron ka bang incident related before?
Itong sa shoulder ko, not sure pero parang once na nag-gym ako, hindi ko sure kung mali yung
Pagbuhat?
buhat ko. Nagba-basketball din kasi
Okay.
ako. So, parang after gym basketball, nagtuloy-tuloy hanggang yun, after night, bigla
mo na lang
sakit.
naramdaman.
Tapos yun, nagtuloy-tuloy yung sakit.
Okay. Magkakaroon tayo ng physical test. Ready ka na? Sige, posture up. Tingin sa left. Tingin sa right. Saan yung masikip? Sa left. Okay. Tingala. Go. Ang normal is about 90 degrees right there. Kamusta yan? May pain ba? Anything? Very good. Okay, good. Titignan natin kung may connection sa lower back mo. Yep. Kamusta yun?
Actually, hindi naman siya pain parang yung ngalay lang.
May ngalay lang ng konti. Very good. Dikit sa tenga. Anong pakiramdam yan?
Yung sakit lang na naramdaman ko while going up. Yan. Yung ganyan lang. Pero yung pag-steady na, hindi naman na siya.
Hindi na sumasakit. Very good. Very good yung pinaka-rotation movement. Okay? Yung pinaka-range of motion niya ay very good. Kasi kapag meron tayong frozen shoulder, ay hindi talaga natin ito naangat. Kasi yung in general term with the frozen shoulder is pamamaga ng ating ligament support doon sa pinaka inner side ng rotator cuff natin. Okay? All the way up, ilagpas sa tenga. Yan, very good. Tignan mo yung range of motion. Pero may bigat ba? May ngalay ba?
Wala naman.
Wala naman. Very good. Sige, hanggang noo. Very good. May masakit?
Wala naman.
Good. Sige, kabila. Go up. Anong pakiramdam? Wala naman? Very good. Which is clear. No? Wala kang frozen shoulder. Ano yung pinakamalalang naramdaman mo dito nun?
Ganun lang, coach. Parang may times lang kapag siguro sobra din talaga
Sa
sa
paglalaro.
may araw na sobrang parang ang hirap niyang, yung bibig mabibigla.
Okay.
Hindi naman totally mahirap gumalaw, pero bigla. Kahit nga minsan masakit siya, kaya ko pa rin. Tolerable pa rin Kaya ko maglaro, pero yun, konting ipit lang, parang ganun. Masakit na.
Sige. Itigan natin yung lateral support mo. Ganito. Ready? Twist. Yan. Ang normal is about here. Very good naman yan. Kamusta yan?
Okay na.
Walang masikip?
Dito lang, medyo.
Konti. Okay. Sa rhomboid natin. Sige, kabila. Good. How's this? Very good yan. Vertical. Kamusta?
Dito, coach, medyo.
Right here. Okay. So, same. Ready? Go. Back bend. Very good. Anong pakiramdam mo?
Dito, coach, medyo siya.
May pain ba?
Medyo
Meron
masakit.
konti. Okay, good. So, aware ka ba na meron kang mild scoliosis
Wala, hindi.
sa lower back mo, sa lumbar mo? So, meron tayong curve ng konti. So, at least 3 to 4 degree. Okay? So, yung lumbar mo, papunta ng thoracic ay medyo pa-curve ng konti. Okay? So, at least hindi naman compromise yung ibang mga ribs natin. Kaya wala naman tayong imbalances doon sa ribs or mataas yung isa or mataas yung isa. Okay? Yung iyong pangangali sa lower back ay dahil dyan sa lumbar scoliosis mo. Mild. Okay? Taas mo ito. Up. Yan. Mabigat ba? Hindi naman.
Hindi naman, coach.
Very good yung rotation. Nice. Kabila. Very good din. Kumusta yan?
Okay lang, coach.
Good. Okay. Exhale. Down, down, down. Good. Nice. Very nice. Good. Clear. Outer. Very good. Clear. Okay. Yan. Diretso yung tuhod. Good. Nice one. Kamusta yun?
Okay lang, coach.
Good. Clear. Nice. Yes. Good. Exhale. Good. Here. Nice. Clear again.
Good.
Nice one. Good. Good. Kabila. Yan. Same.
Mas magaan na, coach.
Mas magaan. Good. Exhale. Relax the shoulder. Good. Nice. So down, down, down. Good, 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 good. Okay, so clear naman ito. Good. Good. Nice one. Very good. Inhale. Exhale. Relax ang shoulder. Good. Push ko ito. Nice. Exhale. Relax ang shoulder. Very nice. Okay, so ito ay clear naman. Okay? Exhale. Relax ang shoulder. Good. Nice. Good. Good. Clear yung kabila. Yup. Nice one. Okay, clear. Good. Turn in. Nice one. Okay, clear naman ito. Relax. Good. Okay. Clear. Nice. Nothing. And nothing. Good. Per cuboid right there. Clear naman. Very nice. 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 Clear there. Relax. Nice one. Clear. Clear again. Nice one. Exhale, huwag magtitira ng hangin sa tiyan. Good. Ready, inhale. Exhale. Good. Nice. Exhale, relax your shoulder. Very good. Nice. Good. Nothing. Nothing again. Okay. Nice. Outer side. Good one. Good. Okay. Nice. Good. Good. This one. Good. Good. Okay. Good. Nothing. Nothing again. Good. Nice. Last one here. Nice one. Good. Good. Clear. Good. Any pain?
Wala naman.
Good. How's this?
Okay lang po.
Number 2. Number 3. Masakit?
Hindi naman.
Number 4. And 5. Nothing?
Wala.
Good. Number 1 here. Number 2. Number 3. 4. And 5. Walang masakit?
Wala naman.
Very good. Exhale. Down, down, down. Good. Nice. Exhale. Good. Relax it here. Good. Nice. Clear. May naramdaman ka?
Wala naman.
Very good. So, very healthy ang iyong disc joints. Alright? Good. How's this? How's this? Okay. Good. Nice. Itong kabila. Here.
Okay lang po.
Here. How often na nag-gym ka?
Ngayon po, biira na.
Bihira na lang dahil sa work.
Wala po.
Here. Nothing?
Wala naman.
Good. Very good yung iyong posture. May nangangawit ba dito?
Wala.
naman. Sige. Yuko ka. Ito, loosen up. Good stretch lang natin ito. Nice. Okay. Here, last one. Good. And then the upper. Yep, good. Clear. Nice. Nice. Good. Oh, nice. Good. Nice one. Okay? Relax. Snap lang natin. Good. Nice. How's it? Good. Here. Nice. Relax again. Nice. Good. Good evening again, Rock Nation. We're done with Sir
God.
God. So, God, kamusta yung pinaka-experience ng ating therapy?
Yun, very... Gumaang talaga yung pakiramdam ko.
Mm-hmm.
Yun, sana magtuloy-tuloy.
Yes, good. Ngayon, magkakaroon ulit tayo ng physical test. Ready ka na? Sige, up. Yung. Sige, turn to your left, to your right. Anong pagkakaiba?
Yan, medyo magaang na siya. Both. Parang pantay na.
Mas mabilis,
Ah,
kumbaga. Kaya nakakasagad na both side. Sige, tingala. Yan, very good. Okay, yan. All the way up. Kamusta yan?
Naman. Nawala po.
Mas lumuwag, mas gumaan. Good, down. Mula sa harap, all the way, lagpas ang tenga. Kamusta?
Yan, nawala na yung pain.
Very good. So, overstretch na.
Nawala na yung pain.
Kamusta yung bigat dito kanina?
Nawala na.
Pagka nagmo-move ka or nagro-rotate?
Nawala yung sharp.
Nice. So, pagka, ano lang, kailangan lang maging conscious sa kung ano yung mga positioning ng pagbubuhat. Okay? Yun lang naman. Alright? Happy?
Thank you.
Satisfied naman?
Okay na ako.
Very good. Thank you so much for
Thank you so
trusting.
much, Coach.